Welcome to another Fallout hosting tutorial. In this tutorial, we will go over how to use the domain on Muticraft. So on the Muticraft panel, we're going to go to the section that says domain. And we're going to enter a name for it. I'm going to say server 1. Then we'll save. Then we'll go to console and we'll restart the server. Now that the server is on, we're going to go to Minecraft, Multiplayer, and then we're going to edit this server. I'm going to change it from that to server1.minecraft.org. And when we reload, it should let you connect. And that's how you use the domain on Muticraft.